I went to water I wanted to water the gardens, got to the place, and this is what we found. This side is our chickens. Chickens got a fence here, and chickens has a fence there. Our dogs is on that side. So what happens is we've got a little greenhouse there where we plant our stuff in, and when I walked in, I just saw all these feathers everywhere. There's feathers, 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 and I'm like, what? So I started watering the gardens anyway, and when I got that side, that caught my eye. And that caught my eye. So I don't want to go close up, but there was a bunch of birds killed. So I went and investigated, and actually the dogs at the back got through. A gate was left open on that side. They ran all the way through. They got through the fence. They climb underneath through this hole here, and because the birds can't escape anywhere because it's a closed greenhouse, it's supposed to be closed to not let birds in, but the thing has been so ripped at the bottom. Then I noticed this green shade cloth going down, and it's running onto a pipe. So when you lift this whole green thing, then the birds can come out. And then I'm gonna hook this. Let's see if I can do that now with one hand. I'm just gonna hook it on a strong piece there, and then this is completely open here. See here, so the birds can escape.
Dogs from Springs.
Dogs from Springs.
Niks gewoon.
They don't know what big dog that is. It's a Great Dane from Smithfield.
But no, where's the horses? Where's the horses?
Here we are now, breaking ground. Yeah, it would have been awesome, but my wife is struggling to make up her mind.
Somebody hasn't seen that.
So I think I'm just gonna go by the town, and then she can break ground wherever she wants. Yeah, check the one sleeping. Interesting, eh? So we did Google, when horses take power naps, they bring a buddy to keep a lookout while they have a power nap. So there's a horse down on the ground there. Don't know if you can see him. I don't want to go too close because then I'm going to wake him up. Don't go too close, darling. Okay, let's go check what Mikhail's doing here with the breaking the ground. We're going to plant some sunflowers in front of each pole here, so that we can support the sunflower with the poles, and they will get beautiful sun here. We must just remember to water them. That is very important. And my pookie, must we remember to water them? Oh, you're half asleep.
Another sunflower!
Oh, no, that's something else.
Yes, a cucumber that was busy sprouting in the bag.
Wow.
So now it's gonna sprout first. You know, I can play with my shoes. Sorry, Manoa. Sorry, my Gucci boy.
So what happened is, we split this enclosure so that we can keep the roosters away from the hens sometimes. So now, as we were splitting them, the chickens got through, but now we've closed up. Now we need to get them over again. So let the games begin. Don't be scared.
Yeah, you see the thing?
You see how he jumped off the wire?
Stay down, man. Stay down. Go that side, go that side. Fly like a birdie.
It is a bird. Just put that
It's a dinosaur.
on the left of the water.
Manoa. Hello. Hello. Where are you? What are you doing?
Mama. Kom seun.
Hello.
Hello. Don't get excited. Come. Right, so we're going to have a race this morning. This is what happens every morning. We close them up in this little enclosure here where we're renting, and then they can't wait to stretch their legs. So then I come out in the morning, I greet them, I say hello, Jack, wil jy ook dice? And then we come to the gate, and they all follow me to the gate, yes, and they all stand here by the gate, and then I say, ready, set, go! And then Jack is the winner once again. And then they just come back. Sometimes. Okay, there goes Jack. He's stretching his legs properly. But yeah, that happens every morning. It's very, very funny how they just run off straight to see who gets to the bucket first or something. I don't know. But yeah, there they go explore. I'm going to go back inside and make some coffee. That's me with my out of bed look. Later. Oh, and that's Mikhail with his out of bed look. He's ready to go fishing.
Who would we call for help? We don't know anybody who can tow us out of here. Grandpa will have to come far.
I'm gonna go check with him.
Why can't we go past?
Yeah.
Okay, so Mateo and myself is looking for a harder place to drive through because we just came through there and it was touch go. We were spinning through there. So now we're looking if we go through here if it's harder. Is it a mosh pit? This will grip, this will grip, this will grip. Oh, there is just sink. But there it's deeper already.
There, it's compressed.
No, you go deep in, and when you go deep in, you just spin in the mud. Here's less mud. This is more grass. Here. My tire needs to come right here. Yeah, go further. No, that's hard. That's hard. Just mind your shoes. Don't get your shoes too bad. Further. There by that long grass. Yeah, it's nice and hard. What do you reckon? Yeah. Push there. Yeah, still hard. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it right here on this long grass. You're gonna just leave the stick here. Okay, let's see what this guy's doing. Just goes for it. Let me go look that side. We didn't videotape the whole thing. Jackie's battery or her space on her phone was very, very low, and then I forgot to take it up and record again. But yeah, we made it through there exactly where Mateo and I planned it out, and it was not bad. It was a lot easier than there, so I'm glad we got through there. I'm glad we took that one. So yeah, here we are. Car needs a really good wash. Let's go fish! Yay! Okay, where are we going?
To look at a new house.
We're going to look at some land. So we are taking a walk as the family today. And there's apparently a house falling apart with big land. And we're just going to go look at it. Just see what it looks like.
Stop
under grace. Okay, let's have a walk. Oh, my boykie, you gonna sleep? Come. Come. Oh, lekker. Oh, yes. There you go. Let me pour more.
Have I pour more for you?
Yeah, pour more. Here we go.
No, wrong side.
Yeah, pour more. Yeah, he wants me to give it to him every time. Wait, I must pour more. Here we go.
Ay, 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 Manoa.
It's okay, he's getting it. There,
Manoa.
there. Hold it. Perfect.
Here we go.
Throws himself with it. We are at Batuli Dam. This is Batuli Dam. We took a drive to Batuli. We just parked off to have some sandwiches. So we came to meet some new people here, very, very lovely people, and we are on our way now to go and see a property. Let's see what we find. But very beautiful open land here. Loving it.
Oh, there's like a little stupid thing.
And it goes all the way up until here.
So there's, and that's the garages, yeah, and then it goes all the way to the blue house. To this big, what do you call it? Yellow and turquoise cactus.
What's your pants down, huh?
The property runs all the way. The roadworks people are busy packing up to go.
All the way to this gate.
Runs all the way to this gate. Right here. And then your view is so that mountain there and all the way around here. Mountain, mountain, mountain. And mountain, 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 mountain. Empty plot.
Show it that way. Show the camera.
And then this plot here is empty.
Eet jy lekker? Every now and again you get something in your mouth, eh? Yum! Yum! Yummy!